Hello everyone. Today we will see one example of using rowspan and colspan. So before moving on to the example, make sure that you already know how to create tables and also how to use rowspan and colspan. Well, we will create tables using the table attribute, and rowspan and colspan attributes, they are used for combining the rows and columns of a table. And in the previous videos you have seen of how to create a table, and we already have created the table 1, isn't it? Here there are 3 columns and 3 rows. Using the table tags we already have created this table, and this is the code for the table 1, for creating the table 1. First we have given the basic details, then using the table border equal to 1, align equal to center, and using the tr and the th we have given all the details. Then again we have given 3 data, and finally we close the table tag, and we got the result something like this. So this is the table 1. Now in the table 2 you can see that it is different from table 1. Here we are having one more column, that is total we have 4 columns and 3 rows. And there is one more change, that is we can see in the first roll number and name, it has been written by combining 2 rows. Here you can see that there are 2 rows, but here the same thing has been done using rowspan because we are combining 2 rows. Similarly in the marks, it has been written by combining 2 columns, isn't it? Paper 1 and paper 2 is in different column, and that same column has been combined and written marks. Let's see the code of how to create this table 2. And I have already written that code. So I hope you can see both the screens. Okay. After writing the table border equal to 1, align equal to center, in the first roll number, instead of simply writing the th roll number, we have added the attribute rowspan equal to 2. And same way for name also we have written rowspan equal to 2. And whenever you see such combinations, you should know where to write the rowspan and colspan. Simply you cannot write the rowspan and colspan anywhere, because if you write in some other places you won't get the correct output. So make sure that you are giving this rowspan and colspan in the proper place. So wherever you have to use, just before that you have to add that attribute. So since here in the roll number and name I have to write that, I will give this rowspan. And you know that marks has been written by combining 2 columns. So I will write colspan equal to 2. Now after completing this first row, I will close the tr tag. Now in the second row, which is the second row? Well, in the first we cannot identify, because you know the paper and paper 1, paper 2, they come under the second row, isn't it? They are in the second row. So after writing tr, no need to give roll number and name again, because we already have written it in the beginning. Now we only have to write the paper 1 and paper 2. So again using th, we will write both the paper 1 and paper 2 headings. And in the next third row, we have to include the 4 details: 1, Virat, 80, 20. And the same thing you can see here. I have written here 1, TD, Virat, TD, 80 and 20. Why did we give align equal to center? It is because I want to print the 1 in the middle. Same way we can write for the for the last column. Okay, and this is the complete code for the table 2. Now let's see the output of the second one. Okay, this is the output for the second table, and this is the example of using rowspan and colspan. Few things you have to keep in mind is that you should know where to use the rowspan and colspan, and also you should know how many rows you have to combine. Based on the question, you have to write those things. I hope this video is clear. Thank you.